Buck 112 Auto is a modern take on an American icon. It features a 3-inch 420 steel clip point blade and measures in at an overall length of 7.25 inches. This knife has been given an official push-button automatic action from Buck. True to its classic design, the Buck 112 Auto features a rock-solid lockback mechanism. The Buck 112 Auto is available in 2 variants. First, the 112 Auto with a 420 steel blade, ebony handle scales, and brass bolsters. Second, the 112 Elite Auto with an S30V blade, G10 handle, and nickel silver bolsters. The Buck 112 Auto is covered by Buck's lifetime warranty and is made right here in the USA. Let us know what you think about the Buck 112 Auto. Would you carry one? Click the link in the description to learn more and to buy one today. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.